Choosing the right pajamas for your baby can make a world of difference in their comfort and sleep quality. As a parent, you want to ensure your little one is cozy and safe, no matter the season. Here are some tips to help you select the best baby pajamas for all seasons. Start by considering the fabric. In warmer months, opt for lightweight, breathable materials like cotton or bamboo. These fabrics help regulate your baby's body temperature and prevent overheating. For cooler months, look for pajamas made from fleece or thermal materials to keep your baby warm and snug. Next, think about the fit. Pajamas should be snug yet comfortable, allowing your baby to move freely without any restrictions. Avoid loose-fitting sleepwear, as it can pose a safety risk. Instead, choose pajamas with snug cuffs and ankles to keep them in place throughout the night. Consider the ease of changing. Look for pajamas with convenient features like zippers or snap closures. These make diaper changes quick and hassle-free, especially during those late-night wake-ups. Two-way zippers are particularly handy, allowing you to unzip from the bottom for easy access. Safety is paramount. Ensure the pajamas are flame-resistant or snug-fitting to meet safety standards. Check for any small buttons or embellishments that could be a choking hazard and opt for simple designs. Finally, think about your baby's preferences. Some babies may prefer footed pajamas for extra warmth, while others might like footless options for more freedom. Pay attention to your baby's comfort cues and adjust accordingly. Choosing the right pajamas can help your baby sleep soundly through the night. With these tips, you'll be well equipped to find the perfect sleepwear for your little one, ensuring they stay comfortable and safe in every season.